Paul Navarro. He is the accountant of EFR Bakery. His hobbies: loves to do outdoor activities such as hiking and traveling. Status: it's complicated. And her motto in life: do your best and God will do the rest. Once again, candidate number 2. Number 4, Perfect Walker, aka Robbie Kahun. He is a teacher at School STU. His hobbies: swimming and sleeping. Status: married. And his motto in life: do your best and God will do the rest. Once again, candidate number 6. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, presenting our 5 candidates for the 4-hour rule. Thank you so much, Miss Jessa. Okay, let's now proceed to our question and answer portion.
Candidates, this is your chance to show your wit, your confidence, and a true gentleman.
Okay, so let's start for candidate number one. Can you please speak to the board? Okay. Please join questions. Okay.
Ulitin mo, kung ikaw ay magiging gentleman for a lifetime, ano ang isang ugali na gusto mong dalhin sa araw-araw mong pamuno? Ang sa akin ay ang pagiging respeto, pagiging mabait, pagiging respeto, pagiging mabait. Thank you. Thank you so much, candidate number one.
Thank you so much.
Romana Lazaro, also known as
Alden
Alden
Richards.
Richards.
Okay, we have one candidate number two. Speak from our board. And what's your lucky number? You chose number five. Question number five. Third question? Okay. In your own opinion, ano ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging isang modern gentleman? Once again, in your own opinion, ano ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging isang modern gentleman?
Thank you, Mr. Joel, for that question. Good evening again, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, judges. Para sa akin, ang ibig sabihin ng isang pagiging modernong gentleman is sila yung mga gentleman sa panahon na umusbong na ang social media. Pero, sila yung mga gentleman na hindi pa din nawawala sa kanila yung ugali na tinataglay ng gentleman, which is yung pagiging marespeto, magalang, at higit sa lahat ay yung pagiging mabait at taos-pusong pagtulong sa kapwa. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number two.
Okay, let's proceed. Candidate number three. Let's go to your board. What's your lucky number?
Candidate number three, you chose question number three. Ang iyong tanong, are you ready?
Okay.
Bilang isang gentleman, paano mo maipapakita ang pagmamahal ngayong araw ng mga puso o Valentine's Day? Again, isa pa. Bilang isang gentleman, paano mo maipapakita ang pagmamahal ngayong araw ng mga puso o Valentine's Day?
Thank you po. Thank you po sa magandang katanungan. Ipapakita ko ang pagiging gentleman sa panahon ngayon na Valentine's Day. Siguro, mabigyan ng oras. Napakasimple lang, mabigyan ng oras, pakikinig, at paparamdam mo kung gaano mo kahalaga yung mahal mo. And then, paparamdam mo kung gaano mo siya kamahal-mahal para sa akin. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number three. Will you please call up candidate number four?
Okay, candidate number 4 goes question number 6. Okay, is your question? Kung ikaw ang mananalo bilang Miss Gentleman 2026, paano mo gagamitin ang titulo na ito para maging inspirasyon sa iba? Ulitin ko ba? Ulitin ko? Saba? Saba. Kung ikaw ang mananalo bilang Miss Gentleman 2026, paano mo gagamitin ang titulo na ito para maging inspirasyon sa iba?
Magandang gabi po, mga kababayan ko at mga judges.
Kung ikaw yung mananalo Miss Gentleman, paano mo mapapakita ang inspirasyon nito?
If God will give me a chance to win this gentleman, I will be a role model of all the gentlemen. Not only the important is the characteristic, I will be faithful to my wife and to my love. So that's the difference, that's the characteristic of being a gentleman.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. Candidate number 5, please step forward.
Choose your number. What's your lucky number? Mr. Elias.
Okay, candidate number 5, you chose question number 7. Ano ang natutunan mo sa pagsali dito sa Miss Gentleman pageant na maibabahagi mo sa Capit of Family? Ulitin ko. Ano ang natutunan mo sa pagsali dito sa Miss Gentleman pageant na maibabahagi mo sa Capit of Family?
Magandang gabi mga kauhay!
Ang sagot ko,
Ang among tubag.